Meaning of cybersquatting. Cybersquatting. Cybersquatting.
Cybersquatting. Cybersquatting. Cybersquatting refers to the act of registering, trafficking in, or using a domain name with the intent to profit from the goodwill or reputation of someone else's trademark. This practice is often used by individuals or organizations as a means of acquiring domain names that are similar or identical to popular or well-known brands in order to extort money from the legitimate brand owners. The result of cybersquatting can be detrimental to the brand owners, as it can lead to confusion among consumers and damage to their online presence and reputation.